platform gamma to control. The load is stable. Maintaining speed.
Temperature is holding steady, but look at the torque fluctuation here.
We're pushing the limit on the feed rate.
We need another sample from the center trough. Okay, I'll log this one as slightly coarse.
Increase pressure to 7 bar.
Confirmed. 7 bar and stable.
The pressure on the bearings is fluctuating near the limit.
Keep a close eye on the lubrication flow, and we can't afford a shutdown here.
The efficiency levels are holding at 98%.
Good. Keep the pressure steady right there.
The pumps are fully engaged now. Level is stable.
Noted. Keep an eye on the foam buildup.
The infrared is showing 70 Celsius exactly at the outlet.
The valves are holding steady. Coagulation looks good.
Density profile looks good on level 3.
Confirmed. The extraction cycle initiated automatically.
Bricks reading here seems slightly high.
Let me cross-reference the flow rate data.
The flow rate is steady at 200 cubic meters per hour.
And the vibration levels are well within tolerance.
The bricks levels are stabilizing right at 20.
Good. Maintain the current steam pressure.
The vacuum is stable at 0.5 bar and the temperature is 82 Celsius.
Good. Concentration is holding at 30 bricks.
We're approaching the saturation point here in the third effect. The viscosity is high.
Yes, the vibration.
The inline refractometer shows 62 bricks.
Perfect for crystallization. The vacuum holds steady at 0.08.
steady at 0.15 bar.
Okay, the agitator test is running smoothly. Tubes look clean.
The crystallization process reveals constantly boiling massicrete with progressively growing sucrose crystals.
What's the reading on the panel?
Vacuum's holding, bricks of 95. We're ready for discharge. We are maintaining the cooling curve between 70 and 4 to 5 Celsius.
Yes, the sucrose crystallization is proceeding as expected.
The low volume on basket 3 is slightly adjusting the feed rate now. We need to maintain the 40-degree separating temperature. Right on target. Confirmed. The flow rate looks good too. The vibration on speed 4 seems high. I'll adjust the divider setting now. Adjusted. Check the temperature. It is holding steady at 25. Flow rate is good.
The X-ray system detects contaminants as small as 0.3 millimeters. When triggered, the rejection valve.
The pneumatic flow to silo 5 is stable.
Radar sensor confirmed we are at 90% capacity.
Check the seal on bag 42.
It looks good, within tolerance. The contamination alert was a false positive.
Check the throughput on sector 4. It's holding steady at 1.5 meters per second.
Acknowledged. Monitoring battery levels on the new fleet now.
Barcode scan successful. Send the coordinates to the stacker crane.
Copy that. Crane engaging now.
We have an issue on aisle 4. Pallet 72B is showing an expired status. I'm initiating a manual override.
Humidity levels are rising, close to 65%.
Initiating forced ventilation sequence. Readings are stabilizing.
We need that shipment prioritized for the Gujarat route immediately. The deadline is tight. I'm confirming the pickup now.
Easy back. Okay, hold it right there. Locks engaged, you're good to go.
Everything is verified. You are cleared for loading.
Pallet 13 is set, clear to pull out.
Roger, pulling back now. Make sure those binders are secure.
Unit 4 privatization, your GPS shows an unauthorized stop. Confirm your status and resume the planned route. We are monitoring your temperature sensors.
Spike in nonconformities correlates directly with the drop in industrial yield shown here.
We need to address this root cause immediately. Good manufacturing practices are the foundation of everything we do here. Pay close attention to the hygiene protocols before we move on to the equipment demonstration.
The readout shows a slight imbalance on the non-drive end.
Let's check the history log before we adjust the balancing weights.
The NOx levels are stable, well within compliance.
Good, the optimized combustion is working.
Based on this critical analysis, our FSC 24 modes are highly effective. I agree. The continuous improvement methods are stable.
The crystallization rate on this batch is significantly faster.
Yes, the new functionalized sucrose is stable at this concentration. Let's proceed with the pilot lab.
The sucrose content is up in the mechanized harvest areas and mineral impurities are down significantly.
Perform centrifugation quickly.
Yes, I can confirm the specifications right here. The shipment should arrive by Thursday. Let me check the CR. We sent the samples out yesterday.
If we adjust the parameters here, the sales forecast improves significantly. I see the pattern now. Let's generate the report.
Check the flow rate of crystallization. It's functional.
Adjusting the vacuum now. Looks stable. We exceeded the target by 2%.